Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. Myself Manju Prince, I am your English teacher. So this year there is no change in our grammar book and literature books. They are grammatics and Mulberry. So let us start our first lesson from our grammatics book. What is our first lesson? Our first lesson is the sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is an ordered group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence is an ordered group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence is having four important characteristics. They are: a sentence should always start with a capital letter. A sentence should always start with capital letter. For example, the rose smells sweet. Here the first letter is T. That T is start with capital letter. So whenever we will start to write a sentence, you have to start with capital letter. Second point is, the words should be ordered in a certain way to make a complete sense. The words should be ordered in a certain way to make a complete sense. For example, is breakfast eating he? Is breakfast eating he? These group of words are not in meaningful order. That's why it is not a sentence. We will not get any meaning from this particular words, so that it is not a sentence. Now how can we arrange these words in a particular order? We can arrange these words in this way: he is eating breakfast. Now we got a complete meaning, so that this is a sentence. He is eating breakfast. Now the third point is, a sentence usually ends with a full stop. A sentence usually ends with a full stop. For example is given here, the rose smells sweet. So at the end of the sentence there is full stop. So after writing sentence we have put full stop there. Now fourth point is, a sentence can be divided into two parts. They are naming part or subject, doing part or predicate. So a sentence can be divided into two parts. They are subject and a predicate, or we can say naming part or a doing part. Now how can we realize a naming part or a subject in a sentence? In a sentence we are talking about whom. In a sentence we are talking about a whom, that is subject. So for example, the sun shines bright. In this sentence we are talking about the sun. So the sun is the subject or naming part. Now what we are talking about the sun, how can we realize doing part in a sentence? In this sentence, the sun shines bright. In this sentence we are talking about a sun, that is why it is naming part. Now what we are talking about the sun? We are talking that shines bright. So this is doing part or a predicate. What we are talking about the subject, that is predicate. Now some more examples are given here. First example is, the dog is barking. Here we are talking about whom? We are talking about dog. That is why the dog subject is barking. What we are talking about the dog? Is barking. So predicate is barking. Now second sentence is, they are playing cricket. Here about whom we are talking? We are talking about a they. So that they is naming part. Are playing, what we are talking about, they are playing. So are playing cricket, predicate. Now third sentence is that bicycle is yours. Here we are talking about whom? We are talking about that bicycle. So that bicycle is naming part or subject, and what we are talking about that bicycle is yours. So is yours, predicate. Now fourth example is the girl is carrying a bag. Here we are talking about whom? We are talking about the girl. So the girl is the subject. What we are talking about, the girl is carrying a bag. So this is predicate. Now some more points are given here about the subject and predicate. First point is the naming part in a sentence is called the subject. The subject indicates the person or thing that does the action. The doing part in a sentence is called the predicate. The predicate describes the action that the subject does. It refers to the rest of the sentence beginning with the verb. Thus, a sentence is made up of two parts, the subject and the predicate. So, this is the lesson for you today. You will read this lesson and learn it. So, we will meet tomorrow. Take care. Bye.